Dropship.io versus Minea for dropshipping all in-depth comparison. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll compare two leading dropshipping platforms that offer a range of features and services to help us to succeed. In today's video, we'll take a look at their features, differences, advantages, disadvantages, pros, cons, prices. So at the end of the video, you'll know exactly which platform is the most suitable as for you. If you want to use these platforms, you just simply need to use my link at the description, so you'll get the best possible conditions ever. You'll get like free trial, best prices, use them, and then just simply enjoy your dropshipping business. So let's take a look at from platform overview. Dropship.io is a cloud-based dropship platform that provides access to a wide range of products from all over the world. It offers a user-friendly interface. It makes it easy to start with. As for me, it was really easy to start with Dropship.io. It also provides a variety of features such as order fulfillment, inventory management, and customer support. If you're going to talk about Minea, it's like a dropshipping platform that specializes in providing high-quality products from Chinese suppliers. It offers a user-friendly interface and a variety of features such as order fulfillment, inventory management, and customer support. Minea also offers a unique Minea Protect program that provides businesses with product quality guarantees and offer benefits. So what is the main audience for Dropship.io? It's suitable for a wide range of businesses, from beginners to experienced dropshippers. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features that make it an ideal choice for businesses looking for a turnkey solution for their dropshipping needs. Minea is primarily designed for businesses that are looking for high-quality products from China. Its focus on quality and its unique Minea Protect program make it an ideal choice for businesses looking to build a strong brand. So what are key features basically for Dropship.io? It's access to a wide range of products from suppliers worldwide, user-friendly interface, order fulfillment, inventory management, and customer support. Minea offers high-quality products from China suppliers, user-friendly interface, order fulfillment, inventory management, customer support, and their own Protect program. And what's the main difference? The main difference between them is their product offering, of course. So Dropship.io provides access to a wide range of different products, while Minea specializes in providing high-quality products from Chinese suppliers. Another key difference is their Minea Protect program. Minea is the only platform that offers this program, which provides businesses with product quality guarantees and other benefits. So what are the advantages for Dropship.io? It's a wide range of products, user-friendly interface, comprehensive feature set, and excellent customer support. For Minea, it's basically high-quality products from China, Minea Protect program, and also like user-friendly interface. What are the disadvantages for Dropship.io? It's like higher prices plans according to Minea, but sometimes Minea provides higher prices. Don't look at it, just simply check it for your region. Limited product offering compared to some other competitors, and Minea is like they primarily focus on Chinese products only. And what can we say in the conclusion? In conclusion, we can say that Dropship.io and Minea are both excellent dropshipping platforms that offer a range of features and services to help businesses succeed. Dropship.io is a great choice for business looking for a turnkey solution with a wide range of products and features, while Minea is a great choice for businesses looking for high-quality products from China and product quality guarantees. I recommend you to use both platforms to try it by yourself. Just simply use link in the description and then create an account and enjoy your dropshipping career. I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.